wear gloves because it's a little bit messy. This is the extra sauce that we poured out earlier. I put it in a small container, and I had my wine, the mascara wine. Let's try and taste the chicken. Put this down so I don't spill it. Baby mango. Baby mango tastes kind of no sour. It's kind of like Vietnamese called yeah, Cambodian called chop. In English, I don't know what they call. It's very good. Let's try the older mango. Still a little sour. With the sauce, it tastes sweet and sour. If you need sour, it's spicy, you cannot eat. My dog, she wanna eat chicken feet. Spicy, baby. So when you bite all the joint and try not to only get the tendons. Do not eat the bone. Do not eat the bone and just eat the tendons. Want some? You can get some. Very good, Karen. Baby mango. Baby mango tastes so good. You kind of go around the bone. You want to eat the inside bone. And the pepper's not too spicy, that's good. Good for me. I like colorful, but I don't like too spicy. Not too bitter. The peels taste pretty good. But sour. Dip in the sauce help control the sourness a little bit. Give sweetness and savory taste. sauce on the outside so it doesn't over soak. And depending on who wanna taste more sauce, then they can always dip it. If you like the chicken feet and the mango salad, go ahead, continue watch my video. There's a recipes after these. Alright, let's do some Vietnamese and Cambodian lesson. This one is lemongrass. Vietnamese call cây xả. Cambodian say đâm cây. This mango, Vietnamese call trái xoài. Cambodian call plai xoài. The pepper, Vietnamese call trái ớt, Cambodian call plai mật tê. And this kumquat, Vietnamese call trái tắc, Cambodian call cội tắc. This ginger, Vietnamese call củ gừng, Cambodian call mơm nhầy. Fish sauce, Vietnamese call nước mắm, Cambodian call thực tại. Sugar, Vietnamese call đường, Cambodian call scar. Salt, Vietnamese call muối, Cambodian call mè bal. Vinegar, Vietnamese call yum, and Cambodian callទឹកខ្មេះ. Shallot, Vietnamese call hành tím, Cambodian call mơmខ្ទឹម. Okay, so now let's go prepare all these. About 10 kumquat. Half of it I will make juice to mix in with the cooked fish sauce, and half I will cut into pieces to mix in the mixtures. We don't have to worry about trying to seed it. We're gonna end up use this into the sauce, so we go ahead put in the same bowl right now. And this is green mangoes. You can use babies or you can use big green firm one. There you go. This lemongrass, after you clean them, take some of the super old one out. This you're not gonna eat them either, it's just to make flavor off. Saute this only for 1 minute. For the sauce, I got half cup of fish sauce and 3/4 cup of sugar. We're gonna cook that together. Okay, I'm gonna use a pot to cook the sauce. And over here the fish sauce is cooking. Turn down the heat when it's become boil like this. Now we're gonna add in the lime juice. Turn off the sauce, then put in 1 teaspoon of chili powder and put it to the side to let this cool down. About 1.5 pounds of chicken feet. We're gonna clean with some salt and some vinegar. Rest a 1/4 cup of the vinegar and the rest of salt into here. So kind of mix it around, let it soak for like 5 minutes. Okay, with the boiling water, we put in 1 tablespoon of salt, 1/4 cup of vinegar. And here is the ginger and 1 of the stalk of lemongrass. So add in the Thai lime's leaf, lá chanh Thai. You can see the water super boil now. We're gonna cook this for 15 minutes. Chicken got 4 more minutes. Chicken is done. You need to dump it out. And with super cold water or ice water, put in the chicken that's been drained. Soak in here for about 10 minutes to let it cool down. Add ice to stop the cooking process. And we discard all this. Take the chicken out from the ice water, dump the water out, let it drain. Get a clean pot or bowl. We're gonna put everything together. We bring the sauce, the mangoes, the sliced kumquat. Chicken feet go in first. Mangoes. The recipe is easy, it's very good, very cheap to make. And please give me some feedback. You want me to speak in English, in Vietnamese, or both? If you try this recipe, it tastes good, please share it to your friends and family and subscribe. Thank you, and I'll see you next time. Cheers. Bye bye.